Hi there. Let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 2 mid-level. So you emailed me about this as well, and as I'm looking at the result on the screen, you're right. It is not liking the answer in the J column, but the trouble actually stems from the I column. And that's what you said in your email too. You couldn't figure out what was going on in this I column. So let's take a look at this together. So in I5, we're using the VLOOKUP function, and you have it constructed properly. We're looking up a value in H5, we're comparing it to the table in D21 through E25, and we're returning the results from column 2. The trick is here, we need to use some absolute referencing. So H5, if we think about it, will stay as a relative reference. We want H5 to change. We want it to change to H6 and H7. However, we do not want the table to ever change. It'll always stay D21 through E25. It should never ever change those references. So what I need you to do is click on cell A5 in the formula bar, go ahead and select D21, I have to get right in there, select D21 through E25, make sure you're not selecting any commas, just that range. On your keyboard, press the F4 key. If you're on a laptop, you might have to press and hold the FN key and then press F4. Notice how there's a $sign at every reference point, right? So the $sign means don't change. So we're saying $D, D will not change, $21. We don't want the 21 to change. $E, the E doesn't change, $25, the 25 doesn't change. So the example I give in the classroom, it's like asking for directions, and someone can give you sort of relative directions like go south 8 blocks. Well, that works based on your location. If you start from a different location, it doesn't work anymore. But if they give you exact or absolute directions and they say, well, it's on the corner of East Washington Avenue and Wisconsin Avenue, then you will always be at the Capitol building. It's always at that corner, right? It's always at the corner of East Wash and Wisconsin. It's not relative based on your location. So that's the change that you want to make. Make that change to E5, then fill it down the column. When you autofill it now, then you need to go ahead and click the options here and say fill without formatting. Otherwise, you're going to get nicked on the formatting. So choose that as well. And then every reference point will be correct. So the J column then, the way the system's reading it should give you those points back. Make this correction, submit it again. Let me know if you have any other questions.